Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Sweden. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You will get on this website called Coinbase. Thanks to the Coinbase, and when you're going to buy crypto, I will get $10 and also you will get $10, so that's like a really good deal. And I'm going to show you how you can easily buy the Bitcoin. So right here on the right side, when you're going to be in home, you simply view as in Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, pay with. You can go with Tatra Banka or whatever bank you got or wallet, and let's go with €100, preview buy, and voila, you pay for it. Another way how we can buy it is to use Coinbase, but go to Coinbase Pro, and I'm just going to log in into it. And in Coinbase Pro, you can buy it too with lower fee. So you would come here, wallet balance, Bitcoin to euro, 100, and let's say that I want to buy, and for €100 I'm going to pay the fee 0.50, and it's the same as Pro Coinbase. So you just register on Coinbase, and then this is like the extension of the program. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys, have a great day and goodbye, see ya.